आज आपण वर्ड प्रोसेसिंग हा चॅप्टर पाहणार आहोत. यापूर्वी तुम्ही MSc IT मध्ये MS वर्ड शिकलाच असताल. त्यामधीलच MS ऑफिसमधील काही सॉफ्टवेअर आपल्या अभ्यासक्रमामध्ये आहे. त्यामधील वर्ड प्रोसेसिंग. वर्ड प्रोसेसिंग software is used for the creation of text-based documents. The word processing software provide tools for composing, editing, formatting and printing of documents. To text document can also contain images, pictures, graphics, elements, sound, clips and animation. The document can be a poster, a report, letter, brochure, web page, newsletter, or a long document consisting of an index and links of various chapters. This is called word processing. Word processing software used to manipulate text and apply a basic design to your pages. Next, to the facility of MS Words. The first facility, a document can be prepared and printed by using MS Word. The document can be stored permanently. Then second, print preview of document can be seen using the print preview option. Then before the printing any document, and so that any mistakes left in the document can be corrected. Then the MS Word with automatic saving facility. After the setting particular time interval, document is saved in that time interval, and then in MS Word the particular can be found from the document of the new word can be replaced in its place. And the autocorrect option, regular spelling mistakes, spelling check, spell check and that take place in document can be corrected. With the help of auto text option and the text in which written frequently can be given the short name and can be added, inserted whenever the required. Then the MS Word has also the multitasking facility. Facility which you can open the two and more files at a time. There are so many options in MS Word and so many facility of MS Word. Then the paragraph option, then the new paper style option, well pages option, change the case option. There are so many options in MS Word and so many facility. Then next, how to start MS Word. First, click Start menu. Then second option, click on All Programs. Then third, click on Microsoft Office. And then fourth is the click on the MS Office 2007, 2010, 2016, so many versions in MS Office. To click on the MS Office Word 2007. Then second option of how to start in MS Word. The second option, click on Start menu and click on MS Word icon. There are the second option of the MS Word open. Then next, the screen layout. The first button of MS Word in the Microsoft Office button. Then second, the document title and default title in documents. Then third, the quick access toolbar use to the quick options. These options are the save. These are the save. Then undo typing. Then repeat typing control. The shortcut is Control Y. There are some options of the access quick toolbar. Then the work area and blank document. Then the ruler bar of MS Word. Then the status bar. Then the ruler bar. There are some options of the MS Word layout. Next, the MS Microsoft Office button. Then this button is so many options. First is a new. Open a new and blank document. Then next option is open a old document. Then save the document. Then save as the permanently save as the document. Then next option print the document. And then prepare the properties from the inspect document, then the digital signature, and run in compatibility checker. There are so many options on prepare. Then send as email, send as PDF, and then the email XPS architect, the internet fax. There are so many options in how to send the document. And then the next, publish the blog. Use of the publish the blogs and create a new blog post with the content of the document. And then the document management server, then the create document and workplace. So many options. And last option, the close the file. This is the option of the MS Word Microsoft Office button. Then ribbon. The ribbon is the panel at the top of the option of the document. It has 7 tabs. First tab is home, then insert, next is a page layout, then formulas, then the references, then the mailings, review, view, and add-ins. There are some there are that the content of many new existing features of the Word, and each tab is divided into the 2 groups. It disposes horizontally, and the groups are logically collections of the features and perform the function and utilize developing the editing the Word document. And the commonly used of features are the display on the ribbon and to use the additional features with the each groups, and click the arrow button to write the each groups and ribbon and replace the in toolbar order the older version of the Office. These are the ribbons. Then next option, insert. Then the home option is the first is the control paste. Paste the document in next copy and paste. Then next is the cut, then copy, then format function, format painter, and this is the copy formatting from the one place and apply into the another. This is called a double click of button and to apply the same formatting in multiple places in the document. Then next, the font, then the font size, then the bold, make selected the text bold, then selected the italic, the selected text, then the underline of selected text, then Draw a line through a modular through modular text. Then next are the increase the font size, then decrease the font size. Some change the all selected text in the uppercase and then the lower case. Another common capitalization. There are so many options in home screen buttons. And then the bullets, some buttons are the bullets. Then next button is the numbering, and start a numbering list and click the arrow and choose the different numbering formats. Then the multi-level list, start the multi-level list and different multi-level styles. And then the align text left, and then the center left, then the align text right, justify, then the line spacing. There's so many options in this button. And the next button is the insert. The insert button, the first dot on the cover page, and the document has been opened in compatibility and to mode, and to take a full advantages of this feature and convert to your document to a uh, new file and format, clicking the office button and clicking the create a color page. Then the next is a blank page. Insert a new blank page, and new blank page at the title and cursor position. Then the page break, start the next page at the current position. Then next point number 2 is a table. Insert or draw a table into a document. In Word, you can also convert existing text into a table, use for the table. Then next feature picture, and it is insert a picture from a file. Then are the clip art. Insert a clip art into the document, including the drawing, movies, sound, or stocks, photographies, photographies to illustrate the specific concept. Then next shape, insert a ready made shapes such as rectangles, circles, uh, arrows, lines, flowcharts, symbols. There are so many shapes in ready made you can insert. Then next is a smart art. Insert a smart art graphics. Usually they communicate the information, and smart art give graphics range from the graphical list process, then the diagrams to move the complex of the graphics such as diagrams and organization chart. There are insert in your documents. Then next create, not a chart. Number third, chart. Insert a chart and illustrate the compare data is a bar chart, pie chart, line chart, area, surplus. Are so many chart types available in this function, in this facility. And next the hyperlinks, create a link on a web page. Number fourth, create a link in web page picture, and to start an email address or a program. And then next to hyperlinks is a bookmark. A bookmark create to assign a name of specific point into a document. Then next, cross reference. The cross reference refer to items such as headings, figures, and tables by inserting a cross reference, such as see the table in 6 below and turn the page 8. This is called use of the cross reference, and cross reference are automatically updated the content and moved another location, and by default the cross reference by inserted at the hyperlinks. And next is a header. Next option, next number 5, header. Each header of the document contain the header will be appear top of the each printed page. Then next, the footer. The each footer document, the content footer will be appear at the bottom of the printed page. Then the page number, the page insert the page numbers into a document. Then next, number 6. Number 6 is the first item, text box. Insert the pre-formatted text box. Then the quick parts, the insert the reusable pieces of the content, including the fields, document, and properties such as the title and another any formatted, and you can create quick parts. Then the word art uses for insert the creative text in your documents. And then the drop cap, create a large capital letter at the beginning of a paragraph, that is used for the drop cap. Then the signature line, and insert the signature line that the specific individual who must sign. And inserting the digital signature requires you can option the digital ID, such as from the certified the Microsoft partner. And next, the date and time. Insert the current date and time into the current document. Then next, object. Insert a object. And then equations. There are so many options in this. Then next, the symbol. Next, the page layout. The next option, MS Word page layout. The page layout, the first theme. Give the themes. Then the next is the color. Change the colors of the current themes. Then change the font of the current themes. Then next, change the effect of these current themes. And next, number 2, margins. Select the margin size, enter the document of the current section. Then orientation, switch the pages between portrait and landscape the layouts. Then the size, there are choose the paper size, and so many size of paper is A4, A3 legal. And to apply the specific paper size to all sections in the document, and click the more paper sizes. Then next is the column. Use the split text into the 2 and more columns. Then the breaks. Next is the breaks. Add page, section, and column. Insert the pages and section breaks. Use of this option. And then the line numbers. Add the line numbers in the margin and alongside each line of the documents. Then next option is watermarks. Insert the text behind the content on the page, and this option used to indicate that the document is to be treated is specifically such as the confidential or urgent. This is called use of this option is a watermark. Then the page color, choose the color of for the background of the pages. Number third, and then the page borders, add a change in border around the pages. Then indent left. Number fourth, indent left, move in the left side of the paragraph by the certain amount. And to change the margins for the whole document, click on the margin button. Then the spacing, they change the spacing between the paragraphs and by adding the space above the selected paragraphs. Then the object position, the position select of the pages. Then the bring the selected the front in all objects. Then select to the back, selected the object behind all object. Then the text wrapping, change the way text wraps around the selected object. Then the alignment, align the edges to multiply the selected objects. You can also center them and distributes them event in across the pages. There are so many options in the page layout. Then next, references. This option is the first is the table content. The table of content, add a table of content to the document. Once you have added a table content, and click add text button and to add the entire to the table. Then add text, add the current paragraph, enter the table of content. Then update the table of content so that all the entries and refer to the correct page. Then number 2, insert footnote and add the footnote to all document, and the shortcut is alter plus control plus F. This is called shortcut of this. Insert the footnote, and the footnote are automatically renew, and so you move the text and around the document. And then they insert the endnote and add the endnote of the document. Then next, footnote, navigate to the footnote of the document. Then show the notes, the scroll at the document, show the where the footnote and endnote are the located. Then next, number third, insert citation and cite book, journal, article and other periodical as a source for a information in the document. Choose from the list and source. You can source the enter the document and the few sources. Then the manage source and use the list all source cited of the document. Then the style, choose the style and citation used in the document. Then bibliography, add an bibliography, the list all sources and cited the document. There are so many options in this. Number 4, the insert the caption. Use the add the caption of the picture to the images. Insert the table and figures. Then update table. Then the cross references. So many options. Then next, insert the index. Entry the marks entry. They are the most important option of this MS Word, and they include the selected text in the index of the documents. Then next is select insert the table automatics, and so many options in this references. Next option, mail. Then mail is the first important options of the review to the spelling and grammar checks. This option checks the spelling and grammar of the text in the document. Then next, research. Open the research task to the search through the reference materials such as the directories, encyclopedias and translation services. Then the translate the selected text into different language. There are so many options. Create a new comments, accept, reject and documents. So many options in MS Words, and MS Words is a very important document, creating a documents, and so many options of MS Word to create document, letters, then images, pictures, graphics, element and animations. The document can be a poster, report, letter, brochure and web pages, newsletter, a long document consisting the index and the various uses in MS Words. Thank you.